It's over there.
Oh, it's different Sogo.
There's a Sogo there, and there's a Sogo there.
So many Sogos.
So many Sogos. I think there's actually a Sogo over there as well.
There is.
Maybe 3 Sogos.
There's a lot. Look.
Hello, 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 hello. Oh, everyone's so friendly here.
Super friendly.
Not a lot of English, to be honest.
No, they don't speak very well.
But super friendly.
Yeah.
So, this video is the reason why I always wanted to come to Taiwan.
So, when was the first time we had Din Tai Fung?
Oh,
Was it Hong Kong?
Hong Kong.
Our love affair with Taiwan.
Taiwanese food.
Yes.
Yes. So there's a restaurant here called Din Tai Fung, which is a dumpling restaurant. So it's Michelin starred and it's world class.
Yeah.
And yeah, every time we get the chance to eat it, we eat it.
We love it.
And we live in Perth, which is on the west coast of Australia. There is a Din Tai Fung in Melbourne on the east coast.
Yeah.
Melbourne.
Yeah, Melbourne or Sydney, one of them. Yeah.
So every time we're over in the east, we always go here for dinner. We've had it in Japan. We've had it in Bangkok. I think we've had it.
Yeah, we've had it all over
the world. But the original Din Tai Fung is actually here in Taipei, Taiwan.
Yeah.
But it's takeaway only.
Takeaway only. So we're not going to go to that one.
Yeah.
But we're going to go to the next one available.
Yeah, which is just over here in Sogo. So we're going to shoot there and we're going to have Din Tai Fung. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about it because the food is just
amazing.
Yeah, it's
we love it.
world class.
We eat way too much.
Way too much. It's amazing food. So I hope you enjoy the video because this is going to be one of our favourite videos to make because we just love this.
We love food. Well, I love food.
Yeah. So stick around and watch this. It's in a luxury shopping centre. It's got Louis Vuitton, Givenchy, Gaultier, darling. Names, names, names. We're going down the basement too because that's where it's lined up.
Yes. But I do need some skincare stuff here, which we have to make a stop later.
Okay.
Not now.
On the way back.
It's all about food right now.
So you reckon you're going to have enough space in your stomach and in your thought process to buy makeup after eating this?
No, not makeup.
Exactly.
I'm doing research.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, shoes.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, let's find Din Tai Fung.
Yeah.
There it is, baby.
Ooh, yes.
There it is.
Time waiting.
See, they make them fresh. They fold them 18 times, right? 18? I think 18 times. Everyone has to be folded 18 times. I think it's part of the recipe.
Wow.
All right, we're getting a number.
Thank you.
40 minutes. All right.
Right, so we've got to wait 40
So
minutes.
someone gets to go shopping.
Yes, so you sit down and I get to go shopping.
All right. Well, we can go together, right? Or do you have to get your number?
Yeah, we probably should. We'll be alright. We've got time.
Okay.
I don't understand that. What's number 40? Is that 40 minutes or
40 minutes, baby.
Okay.
Yeah, all right.
Oh, okay.
I think we're going to go shopping.
Yes, let's
All right,
do that.
let's go get some...
Creams for
Okay,
me.
let's go.
This place is amazing. While we are waiting half an hour for our food to...
Oh, it's incredible. We do not have anything like this in Perth. Nothing. There's like amazing cakes, like incredible cakes. And there's like amazing breads.
Oh,
We've got
everything.
like honestly, the smells down here are just, it's hard to express how good this stuff is. We'd be like the size of houses if we lived close to this, baby. Let's be honest.
Yeah,
Like ice creams. Yeah, I'm going to go to the bakery. There was a bakery over here which had the worst bread you've ever seen in your life. You could just eat like 2 kilos of it. Oh. Bacon and cheese loaf.
that's got my name on it.
Chicken tenderloin honey mustard.
Oh my god.
Spring onion pork bread. Tenderloin bread vanilla hot sauce. Chili cheese beef bread.
You have
Come
to come
on.
here. It's so good.
Oh. See, if we weren't going to Din Tai Fung, we'd just be like picking out right now, right?
A bread fest.
Oh god.
Have a look here. Oh, look at those amazing slices of
So downstairs in Sogo is where it's at, baby.
wow.
Ni hao.
Perfect.
sit this side or this
No,
side?
no, I'll sit here.
Okay. Oh.
Thank you. Okay. Oh, we can order from there. Okay, great.
Scan a QR code.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
All right, so we scan the QR code to order.
So we snuck in a bit later. I didn't think so.
It said 40 minutes and we were 30 minutes and we still got in, so...
It is packed.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect. I'm so excited. This place is amazing.
Sit down, got your tea, your ginger, your vinegar, your soy.
Let's order.
All right, let's work out the food.
There's one's called vinegar.
Yeah,
Soy sauce and vinegar.
vinegar and soy sauce. What AB's done there is you mix them in with your ginger,
Yeah.
and it gives you the instructions on how to eat the little xiaolong bao. So
They are
there's
the best.
there's a
It's like a
specific
dumpling,
way of eating.
a
Yeah,
soup dumpling.
you got like a
It's the
soup in there. You put them on your spoon, and some people eat them whole and burn their mouth, or some people suck out the juice first. And
Yeah. It's so good.
but our phone didn't work with the QR code they gave us, so we now
she's
actually
coming
don't
back
get an
with something
iPad, I
else.
think.
Or something.
Or something.
This is dangerous.
Well, it's all analog now, no digital anymore. So we got the big full menu.
So this is basically a full menu.
Yeah.
You get.
Yeah.
And then you have to
Yeah, tick the card.
just strike whatever you want.
And
Dangerous.
I went to go and grab it, and my hand got whacked away. Don't touch it. So
did not do
I'm just
that.
going to sit here quietly and let AB do it all, because we know what the outcomes are going to be, and they're going to be good outcomes.
We're going to show you what we order.
Yeah, we'll show you what we
Hang
order.
on.
It's like, I guarantee there's fried rice.
Let me order. Oh, so good.
So the pork chops
So
arrived.
that's a pork chop, and that's our
And
soup
this is
dumplings.
soup dumplings. Look how steamy and hot they are.
They are the bomb. They are the best ever.
Are you going to have one?
I think it's going to be too hot. If you want, I can film you because I think it'll be way too hot.
I reckon it'll be alright.
Okay, let me. You do it.
Okay.
All right. See how good they are. You make it happen.
Okay. So, oh, they're pretty good. So you dunk them in your, dunk in there, put them in your spoon, a little ginger, you pierce a hole in the side, you let the soup out. I like ginger, so people with ginger.
He loves ginger. You happy with that?
It's been so long since we had it, baby.
It's been so long. These are the best ones. We've got the pork ones. They're
Yeah.
the best.
Oh, alright. I'll eat the rest. You get something else.
I'll have the pork chop,
Alright.
which looks amazing as well.
Alright, your turn.
So it wasn't that hot?
Nah, it's good.
They're what I feel like.
Yeah.
Oh, these are my favourite. Oh my gosh. Oh no, it's too much. Oh,
This is what they're known for. This was that got started.
Yes.
Yeah, they were selling these things in 1950s or 60s.
Where was our first one?
I think our first one was in Hong Kong, I think. I think.
Was it?
I think so.
Oh yes, it was. And we just fell in love with them,
Yeah, it's
didn't
the
we?
best. Look at her face, look at her face, look at her face.
Oh, so good. They're so light
Yeah.
and fluffy.
Yeah, they're amazing.
Oh my gosh, I could eat them all by myself.
We're going to get you 6 more, don't worry, you'll be right. Wait till the rice comes out, then we can try that pork. That's the rice.
That's the rice, which you have it with the pork chop.
Yeah.
That is the best combo.
It is the best combo.
Amazing.
We got more of these. Let's finish these off.
Well, we
While they're
might.
still warm.
Hopefully they'll give us more.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll get more, baby.
So this is the pork fried rice, I think.
Yeah, pork fried rice.
Oh, it's so fluffy and light. It's just amazing. A little bit of that. And you have to get a little bit of pork chop. Have a look at that.
Oh, amazing. How juicy it is.
That's it.
It's
Just that.
glistening.
Okay, let's try it.
Go, baby.
god, just as good as I remember it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh look, the buns.
Oh,
Oh, thank you.
thank you. Oh,
Ooh.
lovely, thank you. Oh, that's your buns.
They're my buns.
Wow, they look good.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, let's
Wow.
heat this up.
Okay, let's do it.
Alright, let's have these buns.
Alright, let's try. So these are pork buns?
These are pork buns.
Oh,
You know, these aren't your favourite, these are my favourite.
no, they're not my favourite. Oh, okay. Oh. Look at all the steam coming out of
That's
them.
so good. And you sort of just dunk them in your soy sauce and vinegar mix. I don't know if I like the pork as much as I like the bread. The bread's amazing. Oh, so good.
One of your favourites? Yes.
It's like sticky. Chew it up. I'll try I'll try that. Oh. Love it. That's so good.
Oh wow, all the juice came out of it. What are you doing?
So good.
That was so good.
Sofa King? You like sofas?
And 682, which is what?
682, so that's like
25?
35 bucks.
And you do
Less
get
than
free
$35,
tea.
and you got unlimited tea.
And we had, this is probably our third tea.
Yeah, and we ate everything. There was nothing left.
So good. I
If
would
you want
come
more,
back, and I might come back. Next time.
we can come back tomorrow night.
Or maybe.
All right, let's finish our teas and get walking.
So good.
Happy.
That was so good.
That was so good.
And so light.
$33.60 it was in the
We
end.
thought it was going to be like $100 bucks.
Yeah, I thought we were $100, $150 bucks, but it's cheap. It's cheap as chips.
So we got lots of money to spend on other food.
Yes. So we hope you enjoyed it. It's probably a boring video for some people, but like that is really.
When you come to Taiwan, you have to come to Din Tai Fung.
You'd have to come to
It's one of the biggest
It's an
things.
institution in Taiwan.
Exactly.
Because it is like a lot of people know Taiwan because of Din Tai Fung.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. But it's
one of the
amazing
best.
food, and it's one of the reasons why I wanted to come here to go to the original. Unfortunately, we couldn't eat there, but that's probably just as good, right?
Oh, it was amazing. Definitely worth it. You got to come here for that, and you got to get bubble tea as well.
Yeah, tomorrow bubble tea.
Yes.
All right, we're going to head out into the night, so I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time, so bye.
Bye.